Looking for the perfect holiday gift or a delicious treat to elevate your meals? Well, Amber Bee's Honey Butter is here with 11 mouth-watering flavors. Amber, welcome back to the show.
Thank you. I'm so excited for this opportunity.
We are so excited to have you back because your spreads are absolutely delicious. What makes your honey butter stand out compared to other spreads out there?
Yeah, so we got a ton of different flavors to choose from. It's made with wildflower honey, real butter, and natural flavors.
All right, let's talk about these flavors because that's what makes your honey butter so good. Let's go through the flavors.
Yes, so we have so many. Our top sellers are raspberry, which is the #1.
Love it.
I really love this one.
Okay.
Frosted cinnamon roll is also another top seller. And then garlic and herb has been very popular as well.
I can see that being really popular for people who are looking for, you know, a savory kind of flavor.
Right.
How do you decide which new flavors to create? Because these are all just genius.
There's so many different flavors. I've just experimented with different recipes, and I have come to love every single one of these. They're really good for different things to put on, and it just elevates anything that you spread it on as well.
I love it. I know this is going to be hard to answer, but which one is your favorite?
Okay, that's really hard. I really love the raspberry.
Okay.
I also really love the peach. I love fruity anything.
Okay.
Yes.
Love it. So your honey butter can be used in many ways. You just said that. What are some examples?
So like the fruity sweeter ones are really good for like bagels, pancakes, rolls, toast,
I'm getting so
things
hungry.
like that. And then the savory garlic herb, really good for grilled cheese.
Oh,
right?
yum.
I know. And or
Okay.
like baked potatoes, meat, vegetables. It's a good savory cooking one.
All right. Okay. Speaking of savory cooking, Thanksgiving is around the corner. The holidays are around the corner. How can people incorporate these?
Yeah, so everyone loves having rolls at their table, right?
Oh, yeah. If there's no rolls, is it a meal?
Yeah, right? So these are so delicious for your rolls, and you can just bring it to any Thanksgiving party, any family meal. It's perfect, and it's something unique, too, that you can bring to your table.
And you're going to be everyone's favorite. They also make great gifts.
Yes, perfect for Christmas as well, coming right around the corner.
I love it. Okay, what's the shelf life of your honey butter?
So they last for a while, about a month at room temperature, 3 months in the fridge, 6 months in the freezer, and you can just pull it out when you're ready.
Okay, perfect. All right, can I try one of them?
Yes, please. Let's have you try the raspberry.
Okay, while I'm trying the raspberry, tell me where we can buy them.
Yes, so I have a website, amberbeesboutique.com. You can order from there. I have a special code, 15% off. If you put that in, that gives you 15% off any of your orders.
Okay, I know my mouth is full and it's not polite to talk when your mouth is full, but that is so good.
Thank you.
I think the raspberry would be my favorite. I'm going to try every single one of these. Thank you so much for being here, Amber.
Yes, of course. And my Instagram is amber_bees. You can follow me on there. I am in many markets and shops. I post them on there, and I just do a bunch of local events as well.
Perfect, right, Amber? Thank you.
Thank you.